Hi everybody. So I'm back with another haul video. I'm super excited about this one. This is another Home Bargains haul video and I have tons of December 2019 items to show you. I am going to go ahead with this video because I'm hoping to keep it relatively short. So the first thing I'm going to show you are these super cool funky little mints. They come in spearmint and peppermint. I love the tins. They're great. They're reusable. And they say mints, spearmint, fresh, sweet and cool. And these cost 69p. You're getting 25 grams of mints inside these amazing tins. And I think they look quite funky and quite retro. Spearmint is my favorite and that's why we have these. I think these are so nice. I bought two. So that's my first item. The next item I have is this fizzing bath bomb. It's Relax and Revive and it's in strawberry. I have done these bath fizzers in previous videos, so go ahead and check that out on my channel. And they are amazing. They smell so fragrant. They smell delicious. And they are relaxing and reviving. Guys, for this one, I'm trying to see what amount of product we get. It doesn't tell me the weight. Not that I can see. If you guys can see it, put it in the comments below. But you're getting a really big bath bomb. That's my hand for scale. It's about the size of a tennis ball. So that's what you're getting. And your whole room smells exactly like the fragrance that you bought. In this case, strawberry. These bath bombs also are at a bargain price of 59p. So that is definitely amazing for me. The next two items I'm going to show you together because they are the same. These are, sorry guys, I have something caught in my throat. These two items are trolley buddies. These are great for shopping carts in the UK. And these two were adorable. We have a pink heart and we have a black heart. And let's get these open so I can show you. We'll pop it right out here and then we'll pop our other trolley buddy right out here. These are great because you can pop these onto your bag or your keys. They have a clip and then they have the little ring that will attach to your keys. They're easy to pop out and throw away. They're easy to pop out and you just pop that in your shopping trolley and away you go shopping. I got two of these because I think they are amazing and I lost my last one. So when I saw these two, I definitely had to buy them. Guys, these are 29p. It's better than putting £1 in. I don't know if you guys always have change. I don't. So these are always fun and easy to have. And it means I don't always have to carry change. So totally amazing and thumbs up. At 29p, a total bargain. The next thing that we have, I'm going to show you these. These are so pretty. So these are the same item, but I bought 2 packs. These are the Beverage and Friends fridge magnets. These are so retro and so cool. I had to buy 2. These are going to be gifts, so I'm not going to open them, but we are going to have a look. So the first one says, I use the smoke alarm as a timer. And the next one, if we are what we eat, then I'm easy, fast and cheap. The next one says, talk to the flan. And the last one is spooning leads to forking. I just thought these are cute, quite retro. I have bought these for adult presents, so don't be worried. And they were 49p for the pack of 4. I love the fact that they're not geometrically square. They are a little off center, different shapes, and they just look cute and definitely something different, something I haven't seen before. So I'm loving these and they'll make a brilliant gift. The next item I got, guys, super cute, couldn't walk past these. They're unicorn erasers. I am going to give these away to my niece. We've got a unicorn, we've got a rainbow with big dreams, we have Shine Bright, and we have another unicorn head. These little erasers are so adorable. You're getting a 4-pack, and these are only 39p. That is awesome. Most of the time when you go to buy an eraser, it is around £1. So you're getting your pack of 4. Lovely little princessy unicorn eraser set for 39p. I thought that was a bargain. We're going to create a little bit of room. Our bath fizzer is rolling away. The next thing I got was this BZ's Pop, Spin and Catch. It says it pops up to 6 feet. Let's see if it does. This is made by Zing, and it's for age 4 and above, guys. So anybody younger than age 4, if you're buying this for anybody younger than age 4, make sure that they're supervised. All this is some thin plastic with this little nodule right here. You're supposed to push it down on the table or push it down somewhere and let it go. Definitely doesn't work. So that's, oh, am I doing this wrong? So we said, we do not push it down on the table. We push it, whoa, we push it inside out. So the little nodule is on the outside, and we hold it. Oh, wow. And we let it go. Guys, this just hit my ceiling. So this absolutely goes 6 foot in the air. Let's do that again, and hopefully I catch it. It's a little hard to turn it over though, so that can be a bit of an issue. But let's see, and we let it go. Oh, whoa. Guys, this is a little dangerous. Even though it only costs 49p, I still would be a little bit worried about giving this to a child. I mean, that snapped back and it stung my finger. So this, for me, 49p is a no-no. Guys, we're going to quickly run through our last 4 items that we have. So we have miracle sponges here. You're getting a pack of 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This is a pack of 4. It says 1, 2, 3. Oh, so these are halved. So you're actually getting 6. That's amazing. So these are made by Clean and Shine. They're miracle sponges. They easily wipe away dirt and grime. They cost 69p for a pack of 6. That is amazing. You do not need any chemicals. There are no fumes and there are no mess. And I can guarantee you that these work. You know when you get a cup of coffee, especially in a porcelain cup, and you get that staining around the cup, and most of the time people will bleach that out? Well, stop using bleach. These are amazing. If you put a tiny bit of detergent, and you don't have to, these will work without it, but I like putting a little bit of detergent onto this sponge, run it around the inside of your cup. They will come up, I mean, sparkling and clean. These are what I use these miracle sponges for, but you can use them for cleaning your hob, for your sinks, for your taps. Guys, for 69p, these are a bargain buy. Definitely recommend them. I think they're outstanding. Okay, the next item that we have is a fun little spray art toy. It is made by Soya Luna. I have had these products before and I think they're amazing. This little product or toy allows you have pens and you blow through them and they splatter the paint onto your page and create these funky little images. I love this item because you're getting all of these things. You're getting 3 stencils, you're getting a pack of paper, you have some stickers and 3 different colors. So you can create all of these fun, funky little drawings. This pack is 99p. So worth it. It is so much fun and I'm definitely going to love giving this away. So guys, 2 more items and I'm going to do this one next. This, I couldn't resist picking it up. This is a Can You Handle the Sour Toxic Waste Assorted Sour Candies. Now, if you watch any of my videos, you guys will know I hate sour sweets. However, my nephew Matthew loves sour sweets. So I bought this little SAR candy stocking for him so that he can try all of these out. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're getting 8 packs of these SAR smog balls, and inside those you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 5 of this smog balls per pack, and you're getting 3, 6, 7, 8. You're getting 8. And then you've got these unique double action SAR flavor, hazardous SAR candy in assorted ultra SAR flavors. You're getting 2. Are we getting 3 or 2? We get 3 full packs of those. So you've one here, one just behind, and one right here. Guys, this little pack in its entirety cost me £1. I think that is an awesome buy. That is so cheap and such great value. So that is super fun. My nephew will love it. Guys, the last item that I have, and I bought it for myself, is this NASA Solar System Bath Fizzer set. It was $2.99. You're getting 3 30-gram bath bombs, 3 60-gram bath bombs, and 3 90-gram bath bombs. And let me see. Oh, here we go at the back. So these are what we're getting. We're getting the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. And as you can see here, these are the colors of your bath bomb, and these are the colors of the planets. So if we turn this around, this is what we're getting. And this is such a beautiful gift. If anybody wanted to get this gift for Christmas, I'm trying to see if I can open it to show you guys the inside without destroying the packaging. But I am struggling a little. Oh, we have some sticky tape here. If I can get that off, we can have a look inside. Oh wow, guys, look. For $2.99, all of these bath bombs. I mean, look how pretty these are. Are these stuck in with some sort of, they are a little bit, but look at that. Don't they even look like planets? So look at this. So these are 3 large, these are 3 medium, and these are 3 small. Guys, what I might actually do with this is keep this and maybe do a video. So if I do, I will put that in the comments, in the description, and you guys can click on and link into that. But this would make such a fun present stocking filler for anybody who loves bath bombs and anybody who is interested in the solar system. So guys, what do you think of this haul? This haul in its entirety, I thought was amazing. It did not cost a fortune. There are products I don't like, which I just threw away, which is this one. I will not be purchasing that again. It is definitely dangerous, and I would say it's a thumbs down. Every single other item that I bought as part of this haul, I love. Absolutely love. And I will be either giving it away to friends, family, or I will be keeping it for myself. I loved it. I hope you loved it. And if there's anything that you want to buy here, go check out Home Bargains. It is definitely one of my favorite stores to go to see what new, interesting, fun products they have. Guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, because that helps support my channel. If you are not yet a subscriber and you'd like to join my channel, please feel free to do so. We would love to have you here. And if you have not, if you'd like to be notified of any future videos, hit that notification bell. Guys, any comments, leave them in the comments section below, and I will be happy to come back to you at any time. And guys, just before we go, I have noticed that that YouTube has started disabling comments for some videos. So I have a Facebook page. It's Shishi3322, where I also link in these videos. Feel free to go comment there if there's anything that you'd like me to answer, or you'd like to know anything else about this haul. Feel free to leave comments there, and I will come back to you. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Love you all so much, and see you next time. Bye.